Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how you can delete contacts from VIVO phone. So to start, we will need to find and open the Contacts app. Then make sure to open SIM1, SIM2 internal search or Google account depending on which contact you would like to get rid of and where this contact is saved. In my case, I guess I'm currently at my Google contacts. Yep, so here is the clue. Then you gotta simply select what contact you would like to get rid of. Then tap at this trash bin icon to your top right, move to trash, and well, that would be pretty much it. Then you can open the trash folder and delete forever if you want to, of course. So that would be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.